What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you're watching this. I got a little, I got a Lego unboxing to do today. You know, we saw Playground yesterday. This is part of the Lego lot. So yeah, they were gonna be unboxing two boxes. You know, get you away from the action figures. Cause the next two boxes are probably gonna be heaters. I would hope. I mean, that last box we unboxed 2 days ago, 2 videos ago, whatever. It's pretty heater, big old heater. Show up a bit. By the way, I didn't realize it showed like in the corner what year and stuff like that. That's kind of funny to me. Show off to the side because today we're gonna be opening. Just kidding. Anyway, we're gonna be opening this bad boy. Yeah. Now, the tags are already unleashed, so we can just have this bad boy open. Oh, well, I typed it back. Trusty dusty knife. This is probably not gonna go into the action figure unboxing like the last ones. I'm gonna make a different playlist. Which, by the way, I can't believe some people don't have like certain playlists for certain things. Isn't that kind of crazy? I can't really see it, so I guess I'll pick it up. The camera. Ooh, yeah. The Dark Millennium Falcon is a pretty cool ship. So look at all that beautiful elegance. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. We got the back side of it, and I'm gonna see if I can pick this up without knocking anything over. So we're gonna put you off to the side as I break stuff that I built. Like a pizza pie in the night. I'm gonna put this up there. And stereo leaving in a box. Give you a bit of angle. Box time. Unboxing show. What will you see? No one knows. Good for me. But anyway, yep. This bad boy. This one was actually a gift from somebody. So shout out to the person. We got Dark Ray, Darth Jar Jar, W figure. I don't know, Darth Riv. Get Bounty Hunter C-3PO. Don't know why he's in this set. You got Darth Jedi Darth Vader. You got Jedi Vader and his son Luke. Surfer Boy Luke, or Beach Luke is what they call him. And we got this beautiful box right here. 2 moons in the background. This means we're on a pretty cool planet. We got Rebuild the Galaxy, because it's from that saga or set of their show. Yeah, I thought I would just show y'all this one. This next box is gonna have a lot more meat to it. Yeah. Oh, Darth Vader's at the top. Got some Spanish, I think. I don't speak Espanol, you know. I wish. But this next one has a lot more meat to the salad, which makes no sense because shallots should not have meat to them. Try not to knock over my camera, which I failed at. Look at that box. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. I'm gonna cut it for y'all. I can see the cut. That's what that was. I'm just trying to make sure the camera's what I need to do. Let's see if the camera can reach. There we go. Okay. What's inside the box? Let's open this bad boy. Buddy. Looky at that. Put y'all down and we'll just start going through this bad boy. and we can just start checking them out. Put this up here. And knock Mr. Yoda off the wand, Jedi Master Yoda. He could not be left to live. That's what he probably said when he was getting him hunted down. I guess we start with the lamest one first. Well, the lamest one. Probably polybag here. Simple polybag. Nice looking Millennium Falcon. This is my first ever polybag with the Millennium Falcon. 74 pieces, 6 years old. If you're watching this and you're 6 years old, thanks for the view, I guess. Now this is the next boring set. I mean, it's cool. It's cool in like the way that it's like new, but like it's kind of an expensive set for no reason. We got 3 action figures. We all have seen before in a set like this. Or not in this one. We got Ahsoka's Interceptor. They're going to battle. Get the thumb ones, finger taps. We got a little Ahsoka, which is pretty cool in my opinion. They're adding a little Ahsoka. Make sure my dog's okay. They're giving her the little midget legs, you know? That's pretty cool. Small people legs, whatever. Sorry, I offended, you know, in the comments, rage. Love to see it. Yeah, they got Ahsoka and R7A7. Because everybody remembers that one from the Clone Wars, who died with Ahsoka on Rex's Star Cruiser. This is sick. I mean, sure, it's the worst model out of them all. And all that. And I wish I could get a wider shot. I have a small area. But yeah, this bad boy is sick. It comes with Clone Pilot Oddball, and Clone Pilot Jags, and just a regular Clone Pilot, and R4P44. This is sick though. Extend the stick out. But yeah, look at that bad boy. Why not, you know, they come out with some heaters sometimes. But we were overdue for ARC 170 at this point. Clone Pilot Oddball on the side of the box here. Just a really nice box. I mean, I just can't wait to unbox this and build it. Looks sick. Got a guy holding the blaster bolt that they shoot, you know. Like every good Star Wars tale does. But yeah, Lego definitely did well here. Very proud. Very proud of the minifigures anyway. Dual minute legs in this battle would have been great. But yeah. I got it. If I could pick them up. I got 2 of them. Full price. You know. Day 3 is when they started doing half prices for these sets. Had to take a picture. Yeah, but I got 2 of them. That means I have 2 pilots. 2 random named pilots that I can put in the cockpit. You don't have to worry about getting fined for having 2 oddballs and 2... Oh, dang, this bad boy gets tall. I'm getting the booster seat. Holy crap. I did not know this. You learn something new every day when you're recording. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go put these over by the Millennium Falcons. They have no room over there. Let's just say I'm gonna have a fun week of building ahead of me. Or not a week, it's gonna take me like 2 days. Because I'm a no box. Anyway, this is the last thing box. I don't want to show the last thing. Padme just fell. Padme just fell from my sail. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the box. Cause I hate box gang out here. Tell me if y'all enjoy the Lego. Oh, sorry. Tell me if y'all enjoy the Legos, and we'll do some more Lego unboxings. Well, I plan to do some more Lego unboxings anyway. But now y'all can tell me if y'all enjoy it or not. But the next one we got This absolute beauty banger. They've outdone themselves for this May the 4th, I'll be honest. They outdid themselves. I mean, just look how nice that looks. You get 3 soldiers from Attack of the Clones, I'm pretty sure is what this is based off of. But look at these bad boys. What is this? A Kaminoan training facility set with a Kaminoan flying theme over. You know, because smart people know what the name is. We get 3 of the clone cadets fighting 1 turret, and this guy's like overwatching, even though can't fit a Kaminoan in it. Which did Kaminoans use that? What was the purpose of this thing? Could Kaminoans fit in it? Or like what was going on there? Sorry, my dog distracted me. Yeah. If she gets to go in background. She fell. Yeah, just a small haul today. Like, if I made this 10 minutes, probably prolonged it just to make it 10 minutes. Yeah, this is the limelight of May the 4th. I'll get everything back in frame soon. Let me get y'all on the booster seat status. Mega booster seats. They get 4. Right, the 4th one may break if I'm not careful. It goes up so tall. I just need you level. There we go. I didn't get the rest of it. You can look at a poly bag. All that good stuff. Also, shout out to my hate comments. Love y'all. Hope y'all are having a great day. I find it funny. Because I know who those people are. And I will find you. Mr. Grey Dark. I know where you live. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to fit everything in frame. That's gonna be the hard part. I just dropped something on the floor. Hate when I do that when I'm recording. But unlike the first one, I'm not on frame, which is crazy that I was on frame for the first one shot. Nobody told me. I saw it in editing and left it in, but nobody told me. Please don't fall. Because that's a lot of note. Now I thought it would take a minute to get away from the big action figures, and we can enjoy look at them for a little bit. But yeah, look at that bad boy. Like the least excited set I have is this one. And of course the Polypiper, that's not a set based on MNR. But yeah, look at that. 170 Starfighter, Training Room, Tuka Jedi Firefighter, Dark Millennium Falcon, and of course, what a guy. Now, we're running out of features. We got this. We got these 2 tomorrow. We're gonna have these 2 open soon and on the channel. We're gonna have those 2. 2 boots at the last, but they're gonna be the most important because they have something I have dreamt of. Well, one of the 2 things I've dreamt about, but I had to choose, so I chose that. Alright, well, hope y'all have a good day, and I hope y'all continue to have a good day or night. I hope your pillow is nice and comfortable, nice and cold on one side and cold on the other. But without any further ado, I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.